Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is in your love life, and there are three piles. Which pile you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going towards the pile number one. For those who choose the pile number one with this beaded green bracelet, your first card is strength card. That means that you need to be brave, to be powerful. You need energy to do something, to move towards your love, to have them in your life, and then you have to um, or you have to do something with courage, with bravery, and then you have to wait for it. Be patient. You will surely heal, you will surely get them, and then they are coming towards you, or you are going to propose them, and they are accepting your um, your proposal. Okay, with this strength card, it's clarified by page of cups. Yes, you need the strength to propose them, to tell them that you love them, you want them in your life, and then you have to be patient. They need time to decide over it. Okay, and they are restricted by their parents, or someone is going to teach them that you are perfect for them, and they are making the decision in their mind over here. And then this is the apology card, making an apology, or proposing someone, and they are accepting this. I think they are taking your proposal, and they are very they are very practical person. They weigh you in and they are very practical person. They are weighing your proposal in their thoughts, that if you are good for them or not, if they are getting some profit out of your proposal or not, that kind of thing. And they are very generous person, they are very responsible. They If they take your responsibility, they will make it over all of their life. Okay, and yes, and with this nine of pentacles, they are happy with this proposal, and they are seeing you as you are their wheel of fortune. You're their luck. You are lucky for them, and they are then they are waiting for you to they are waiting for the time that you and they are going to be one, or marry each other. I want to clarify this nine of swords. These nine of swords are clarified by emperor, that they are making the decision, they are thinking about it, they are taking this proposal, and they are making the decision about it. That's why they are having the sleepless nights. They are thinking about you, or maybe they are in love with you, and they have the sleepless nights, and they are praying for you that they will have you in their life. And honeymoon, I think that you are not going to honeymoon because of some reason, some situation. Maybe this coronavirus, your marriage is happening in this coronavirus, and because of some reason your honeymoon is not happening, or you are not going to any holiday, or any vacation. And attraction, I think there is no attraction over here. Oh, I know now. I know that you are in love with them, you are giving this proposal with love, but they are taking this as you are the step for their success. Okay, they are taking you as their success step. Okay, yes, this is the reason. They are not, maybe they are not going with you with the on vacation, on honeymoon, and they are not attracted to you. Okay, trust. They have to trust you, or you have to trust them. You are a good person. They have to trust you. Okay. Angel de los Mortos. transition to the spirit realm. They or you both have to transit to the spirit realm, connect to your spirits, connect to your Allah, your God, they will show you that person the right way. Okay, frog and beaver. With this beaver card, the beaver is a person who is taking care of their family, who is very responsible, who is with this King of Pentacle cards. They are very responsible, they are very loving, they are their family's protector, they are making the strong based home. Okay, yes. And with this frog, survivors change patients, they are fighting for their living, for their and they like change, they don't cry over. Okay, they are very patient person with this temperance card. They are they maybe they need security, or they secure their loved ones. Okay, moving to the event that are more watery, that are very more emotional, more lovable, more hidden, greater security and peace, more grounded, evolving spiritually, greater clarity, running by desires, helps us think differently, romantic partner, body changing, gradually changes good ones. I think this person is also romantic. The person you are thinking about, you are asking about, they are also romantic person. Okay, frogs shed their skins like snakes. Yes, shapeshifter. They are also the shapeshifter. At the time, as the time is, they are changing their behavior towards you. Okay, to showing what they are. Show your real self. Speak truth. Show. They are speaking. They will speak some truth to you. I think before marriage they will tell you why they are using you, or why they need you in their life. Okay, but in your mind, emotional fulfillment, be true. If you are not truthful, we never get true love from others. Breath of fresh air. You have to be true lover, you have to love them truly. That's why they are going to trust you and they are coming towards you. Okay, indicator, get more air, water, healthy, happy. You might be surrounded by cruel, toxic, unhealthy minded person. Drop their troubles on you, make you sad, make you stressful. Okay, you are having some persons that are not good for you in your life, in your family or somewhere, and you don't have to listen to them. So you don't have to act when what they want to do, want you to do. You might be okay. Don't let them do this to you. Do not just sit there, do something. Sticky tongue, they are so loud. They tell others what you want. Be bold and brave. Incredibly romantic, wants to win heart. Music lover, making rain happens. Rain begins beginners. Happiness beginners. Lot of emotion, work to do. Connect to what you need. If you want to do something, then do it now. Yes, they are the go-getter person. They if you they want to do something, nobody can stop them, and they are a good person. If they are somehow in love with you, they will take it to the other level. They will never break your trust. They will never break your heart. Okay, that person is a good person. Okay, this is all for you for my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation on some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, you can you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos at the time. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. Okay, those who choose the pile number 2 with this crystal necklace, your first card is Empress, and This means that you are attracted to some person, and you have to give them all what you have. You have to share with them. Okay, again, it's mean that you have to be loyal towards that person, and you have to tell them how much you love have for them. And I think you have to protect that person. You have somehow you have to do it. You have to and okay, you have to you have and you have to be brave. And with that next card, you are not manifesting that person, or you are not able to um, mold them towards you. And they are not responsible. They thinking that they think that they are not responsible. They have no responsibility towards you. They are not generous at this moment. They are not practical. They are not practically thinking about it. They are uh, they are not professional at this time. So that's why I think they are not thinking about you, or they are not in love with you. They are not taking it. They are not taking your proposal, but your wishes are coming true. With this wish card, your wishes are coming true, because um, okay, I think they want. Okay, they want to cheat you, deceive you, but they can't at this moment. They can't do it at this moment. The Empress card is clarifying by the Hangman, that you are only, that you are involving this situation. They are not in love with you. They are not involving this situation. You love them, and you are forcefully making them to come towards you. And I think that you are determined to have them in your life, and you want to do it. You are not taking a step back at this perspective. And you are not looking at the right perspective. You just know that you love them and you want them in your life. You're giving them, all you have, all your happiness, all your love, all what you have in your life. You are just giving them, and they are taking it from you. And with this Magician card, uh, you are not winning their heart. I think you win to take them back in your life, to marry them, but they are not in love with you. That's why this Magician card is upside down. And this Magician card is clarified by this Queen of Swords, and you are not able to cut that person from your life. There you are not as brave, or you are in you are in their love. You are in love with them, and you are not able to leave them. They are not coming towards you, and still you are in love with them. You are not able to cut them from your life. You don't want to let them go. You are strictly stuck in their love. Okay, and they don't want to have any relationship with you. And with this Knight of Wands, it's mean that because they are not attracted towards you, they don't love you, they don't want you in their life. And they are strict about it. And you are strict to have them in your life, and they are strict to not come towards you. But your wishes are coming true. That's because you have strength. You are making something to go towards them. You're making the bridge. You are doing a lot of things. and you have the strength, you have the courage to do it. And when you do it with courage, with strength, with love, with power, they are coming in your life. But they are want to betray you, they are want to backstab you, because they don't want to live with you, and they know that you forcefully make them forcefully to come towards you. And that's why they are. Yes, they are the king and queen in this reading is upside down, and they are not making any. They are not thinking. They don't think that they have any responsibility towards you, and you are not their soulmate or husband wife. They are not thinking this in mind by hurted. Okay, they know that you are in their life now, you are married to them, but they don't look you as their husband or wife. And they think that they have no responsibility towards you. They are not caring about you. They have no love for you in their heart. And yes, they are not attracting towards you. They are not going to do anything to in your home. They are not doing the things, and they are not going with you with some weddings, some parties. And they are and also the queen of wands, the queen of wands, that is giving, caring, and um, okay, with this getting to know each other card, you have to know each other. You have to tell them that how many you love them, how much you love them, how much you think about them. And when you do this, your innermost bond is deepened. Okay, and with this sea storm, calm and chill. Nobody knows what's in their mind, what is they are thinking about, because they are silent at this moment, and they are not telling anybody, because they know that everybody is forcing them to marry you. And they are not telling you that what they have in their mind. But they something is under these waves, under this surface of water surface. And they are not telling anybody about this. I want to clarify this. Okay, with this two of cups, they are coming towards you, their mind is changing towards you, they are going to love you, they want to or maybe this is you, what is you hiding these things. You have to tell them that what you want to share with them, and what you want to do, give them. And or maybe they are silent at this moment, and they are having thoughts about you, that they will do good things to you. They don't make you punish, something like that. And with this fairy of the green bird, the nature bird need you. This is upside down, so you, I think you don't have to go anywhere. The or this will happen as naturally. This will happen naturally. Autumn is my last chance, please don't lose hope. Okay, this is upside down. That means that they surely want to get away from you. They are not living with you. They don't want to live as much as they are with you. They are making you happy. They are a good person. They are it means that you are, they are giving you all they have. They are sharing it with you, but they still want to leave you. They still want to go towards someone else. They think that this is the cheating with them, that you forcefully you force to them to come towards you. Fairy of the divine hand, intoxication and distorted view over intelligence, that is not happening. That person is not like that person, that they are punching you about this. They are doing bad deeds to you. They are not doing anything bad to you, but they still want to leave you. When they are with you, they are making you happy. They are loving you. They are taking care of um, your family, but this is not from their heart. in their heart they want to leave you. Okay, with this seven mermaid, your sensuality is beautiful. They think that you are not beautiful inside because you force them to do it. That's why. Our trick or treat, we are here. There is no help for you in this situation. At at first, you are going to marry them, or you are going into close with them, but then they are going to leave you. Okay, family issues, family or issues, something in your family, maybe their family persons are not good, they are telling them no, the bad things, or they are doing something bad to them, and telling them you that they are not good, and something like this, or something happening in your family issues, or maybe they are creating these family issues, that because they don't want to live with you, they are thinking about little things, what you all are doing, why is this happening, why they do this, why you do this, like this. I think this is enough for you for today. For my pile number 2, this is all what I got for you, and I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, this situation, or some other situation, then you can watch my previous videos, and if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all my new videos at the time, and you will surely get some help from there, with lots of love, with lots of wishes, good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 3. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 3 with this blue color earring, your first card is Six of Wands, and now at this time you are not winning their heart. You are not going towards that person. They are not going to love you. You are not winning in winning their heart, and maybe you are from their past, and they are not returning towards their past. They don't like their past, they don't want to return in their past. That person's that was in their past, they don't like that person's, due to because of some situation, because maybe you have done something bad to them, or your family, or someone else. They don't want to reconcile with you, and definitely they are not attracted towards you. They don't want to begin something with you. They are not taking this from universe, taking this gift that universe want to give them. They are not taking this. They want to build their home. Maybe they are towards their money making. They want to make the money. They want to have their job. Want to have their job. They want to build some home, maybe someone with someone else. And with this Six of Wands upside down, there is the King of Cups, that is also upside down. That means that they are not in love with you. That's why you are not winning their heart. You are doing what you can do, but they are not taking your heart. They are not happy with you. They don't want to uh, go to with you. And with this Six of Cups upside down, they are not wise person to go back to their past and heal whatever they do, or someone do bad towards them, or someone else. And they are not a wise person at this moment. They are not brave. They are not going back, because they have their power of thinking is not well at this moment. Maybe they are very drained because of some happening, because of something happened to them. They are drained. They don't want to come back towards their past relationships, and um, their childhood relations. And with this Ace of Wands upside down, they are waiting for maybe someone else or you to come and show them your love, or maybe they are waiting for their right time to do it, to marry someone, to love someone. And they are waiting for someone, they are waiting for something over here. And with this Eight of Pentacles, or maybe they are waiting to make the money, they want, and then they will go towards someone else. Okay, and with this money card, they are, yes, definitely they wanting, they want to uh, they one situation, they want to make the money, more money. And number two, they want to build the stable relationship over here. That's why they are waiting. They think that you are not mature at this moment. That's why they are not coming towards you. Maybe this person is you, you are not mature, you are a childlike person, and they know that you are thinking, your mind is childlike, and that's why they are not coming towards you. They are waiting for you to be grown up, to be mature, and then they will come back to you. Or maybe this is because they want the stable relationship with you, and you are stuck over somewhere, some situation, some problem, and they know that they are, this situation is not good for both of you at this moment, and that why they are waiting for the right time, or for the right person, that, or maybe that person is not you. And with this past relationship, they are not taking your relationship because they are not happy with you at this moment. And carnivores, flowers, fairy, the tempting offer has a high price. Definitely you have done, or your parents, your family have done something bad to them, some quarrel, some fight, something. They told them that they are not perfect for your family, and that's why they are done with you, your family. They are, because maybe they are, you have done something bad to them, or your family have just done something bad to them. That's why they are not coming towards you. Broken heart, their heart is broken. They have the broken heart because of you, or your family, or someone in their past. That's why they are not coming to. This is also be the situation that they have they have this broken heart from someone else, and they are afraid to come towards you. But in these cars, this is not the situation. In this car, something bad happened towards, because of you, because of your family, and they are afraid of them. Okay, this is what I got all for your for my pile number 3. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get what can I say, so you can get any help from these videos. And I assure you that you will surely have some help, some advice from these videos. Okay, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.